Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're traveling along Interstate 71 through Kenton County, Kentucky, part of the busy highway corridor that links Louisville, Kentucky with Cincinnati, Ohio. This stretch of the interstate is one of the main gateways between Kentucky and the Midwest, carrying thousands of travelers and commercial vehicles every day. Kenton County sits in northern Kentucky along the southern bank of the Ohio River. The county was established in 1840 and was named after Simon Kenton, a famous frontiersman and early explorer of the Kentucky and Ohio River valleys. Before modern highways existed, this region served as an important transportation corridor for settlers moving west. River travel along the Ohio River brought goods and people into the growing frontier communities that would later develop into the cities we know today. Interstate 71 itself is a relatively modern addition to the region. It has become a critical north-south route through Kentucky and Ohio. As the road approaches the Cincinnati metropolitan area, Kenton County becomes increasingly urban. The county is part of the Cincinnati metropolitan area, and many residents commute daily across the river into Ohio for work. Just ahead, Interstate 71 eventually connects with Interstate 75, forming one of the busiest highway corridors in the region. Together, these two interstates funnel traffic toward the bridges that cross the Ohio River into downtown Cincinnati. Thanks for coming along on this drive through northern Kentucky. Thanks for watching!